Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download software for a Logitech G715 keyboard. This tutorial is gonna show you how to do it on Windows. You can also follow it if you want to do it on macOS, but if you want to have a more detailed guide for macOS, then you can find another video on our channel on how to do it. So first go to the website where you can find Logitech G HUB. I will provide the link in the description down below, so you can just click on that. Then find Download G HUB Windows. Click on that, and now it'll download the file. So let's go to the File Explorer, Downloads, and then you'll see Logitech G HUB installer. Double click on that, then wait a moment, and now click on Install. Then you need to wait a moment until it all installs. And now just go to the Logitech G HUB. You can see it has appeared right here. I think it's still, yes, it was still connecting. And now, as you can see, since I have my keyboard already connected, which if you don't know how to do, there is a video on our channel on how to connect it to Windows or Mac OS. Since it's already connected, now I just need to wait a moment until it downloads everything that it needs. And now, as you can see, the keyboard is connected, so you can adjust different things for it. And if you want, you can find different videos on our channel on how to do different things on this keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.